Okay, this is Secret Agent 098, and today we're going to be doing some pest controls with some blackbirds. Okay, the gun I'll be using today to dispose of these blackbirds is the Crossman air rifle StormXT. It's a break barrel, as you can see, and yeah. Okay, there's a little bird right there. Haven't really loaded yet, so he's probably going to get away. Okay, look in the left side of the screen and you should see a little bird down there. He's walking up that little hill. You can see him coming out. He's coming closer. You just don't know. Alright, come on, little bird. Alright, I'm going to take this one. Dead. I don't know if you saw that, but he is dead.
Ooh, you gotta go put him out of his misery.
Kill shot. Once again. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Now?
Oh, is that a headshot? Hang on.
Yeah, that is a headshot. Headshot.
He's dead.
He's dead, yeah. Right through his head. Through his lower cheek. Out the top of his brain. Yeah, he's definitely dead. Okay, it's Secret Agent 098, and today I killed 2 birds, which is not as much as I expected. But there will be more videos up soon of me killing more birds. So check back in later, and until then, so I'll just see you then, and yeah.